Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Manduambi. Lero mba njala tugereko ku trailer ya The Batman. Njala tujitemuko go through some fun theories, plot details n'ebintu ng'ebyo. Abantu basinga bagala kulaba Robert Pattinson as the Batman, so trailer we are dropping it's going to be a very good way to look at his performance. So njala tujitemuko through a little bit tulabe what is what and which is which, and we see the overall trailer nga wetambula. So before we go in Moma, somebody subscribing to my channel, leave a like and comment below. Thank you very much. Let's go into it. So the movie begins on logo, of course, yeah, DC. And then we get a shot of Community Riddler, of course, the main bad guy of film, tying up someone. Then Amwandi Seko, no more lies. Of course, no Detective Gordon, Africa Commissioner. Ngali ku crime scene wano kubaseko mu Riddler aleseo clues ate nga zirekedde Batman. Then tulaba wano ku mawulire wano mweno crime scene ya Riddler jattamu abantu nga ku mawulire about Gotham politicians nalekawo lies, ekigambo lies nga lagamba politician bonna balimba nalekera ne Batman a calling card eyo. So wano Gordon wambuliza omanyi ekitegeeza okufuna shoti bulungi ya Batman aba Robert Pattinson Batman. Then tulaba wano I think ono a current commissioner before Gordon afuka commissioner ano yeta na afuka nga addressing a press conference about the crimes that's gonna mass on Gotham nga ne Batman naye alize tegereza wanavuga pitch in agenda. I think a Batcave, or I think most probably banga jukire no movie taking a place nga Batman yakyali muto yakayiga obyokufuka Batman tanama bulungi kikwasaganya bulungi naye kingira buyingizi era kyetegeka bwetegesi. So wano ne tulaba funeral scene whereby Riddler asindika emmotoka mu funeral okutta abantu, Batman asavinga awo omukyala naye nga ate emmotoka egenda okuyingirawo nga aliwo omuntu abamusibyeko bomu. Eyo scene eri awo nga omuntu awayingizaawo awo nga alina bomu nga ate bagisindise ku Batman nga Riddler abisinze ku Batman. Wanatufuna scene ate endala ya Catwoman nga agenda wansi mu some kind of mansion era kiraka nga agenze kuba otuse kiraka Wayne Manor or mansion ya Batman eyo Bruce Wayne agenze kuba era nga somola case wogitegereza bulungi no scene ano ku mutwe waliwo amatu ku mask ejambadde nga kisignifyinga Catwoman wa amatu ga pussy basically. So wano tufuna shot endala eya Penguin azanyiwa of course bamuteekako makeup mungi nnyo ono actor nga tosobola namuteegera mbuyani era kya surprising nnyo abantu bangi online but kandi tufuna shot endala y'abantu bagaya bambadde face paint nga baresemblinga Joker naye I'm sure Joker mweno film taliimu. So wano tulaba Batman ng'ali mu Gotham PD wano oba mu cell ng'agezaako kuvamba police kyaka maybe yali interrogating a criminal naye n'ageyo tufa, so n'agezaako olwana ave police wano tufuna n'amasasi Penguin akuba abantu amasasi. Then tufuna shot wano nga Batman yali engaging in a fight with the Catwoman. Then now tufuna shot ya Riddler nga atekawo ng'omuliro nga alwanyisa Batman okuvaamu eyo funeral scene. Then era tufuna shot endala ey'abano ba criminals abambadde face paint baresemblinga Joker naye of course I'm sure they're not the Jokers. So ngambuuza who are you? Awo Batman wabagambira I am dangerous n'akuba bubi nnyo wano one of their members n'amuyisa bubi brutalizing Batman omupya brother oba eyali omuto akyali muto era kiraga ku face one of the members n'atya nnyo. Awo ne tumala netufuna shot ya Batmobile wano ng'eyaka emabega oba eri ku nitrate eyaka bulungi nnyo emabega awo. Then netulaba nga chasinga down some criminals mu motoka ye. Then netufuna shot endala wano nga bamukuba essasi ku simbo ya Batman wano ku chest che, of course eri bullet proof. Then netulaba wano nga ali gliding up I think mu Gotham PD yao like the earlier shot and get a shot of Penguin wano nga Batman ali mugowa mu motoka no Batman we engage in the criminal. So then we get a shot of the logo over the movie logo. So basically yinza kuba a simple breakdown ya trailer as we go forward. Thank you.